Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen clock on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, if you want to switch it over to like an analog display. Or change some of the night settings on it too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. Scroll down and select the display and touch tile. And now underneath appearance, you want to select where it says screensaver. And make sure use screensaver is toggled on and then make sure clock is selected and then the customize button. For style, go ahead and click on that and then you can select analog or digital, again, depending on your preference, of course. And then for night mode, you can enable that by check marking in there. For very dim displays, if you want it to appear with a little bit more contrast. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.